Hey guys, it's Trimatize. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a very simple one for you guys. If you want to learn exactly how to go about doing your highlights, then stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'll be using my ColourPop Shayla Highlight and Poise. And I know these days most beauty gurus are cancelling highlights, but we're not doing this on this channel. So even if the next YouTuber does not highlight, we are glowing on this channel. Ergo, highlights. So firstly, I go ahead and tap off the excess, then pat it gently along my cheekbone area. I do this on both sides of my face. Highlighting is one of the most favorite parts of my makeup routine, guys. I absolutely love a good highlight. It takes my look from 50% to 100 real quick. Next, I go ahead and highlight with the middle of my forehead. And guys, if you go ahead and make a mistake like I just did, all you have to do is go ahead with your powder brush or foundation brush and gently tap off the excess. I then go ahead and tap off a little onto my Cupid's bow just to make my top lip more apparent, and then dab a little onto my chin area. For a little bit more precision, I'm just going to change up the brush to add some highlight to the tip of my nose, and then gently swipe some up my nose bridge. Then I will go in with my fingers just to dab off any excess if it looks a little bit too shiny. This next step is optional. You do not have to do this, but I also tend to go with a little bit of highlighter just above my brow bone area, just to make the eyeshadow stand out and pop a little bit more. This also creates a more defined brow. So last but not least, I'm going to go in with a tad bit in my inner eye area. This, guys, brightens up any dull eye look. I find it just looks so pretty. It ties everything together, making the whole look gorgeous. So guys, there we have it. Glow like J-Lo. Yes, honey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. I would love to hear from y'all. Leave something down in the comment section and see you in the next one. Mwah.